What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. We out here in LA sliding. I meant to Ben make my video, but I had so much going on, I had to just get everything on the road. But we just left from me getting a haircut. Your boy had to get a cut, man. I was looking super whooped and crazy, but we're feeling good. We looking good. It's time to make it happen and get to this money, y'all. So we about to go ahead and head to this powder coat shop, drop these parts off I have in the back along with these handlebars. Once we drop those off, we are going to go get my mans from school, but first thing first, I'm gonna get these to them so they can get done over the weekend. So that way Monday we can pick those parts up. Those parts are for the Silver Bullet. We're gonna pick those parts up, and then we're gonna get all the parts off our second place 2015 Roadglide and get them parts powder coated. Even though we're keeping the chrome, I still want all the other pieces freshly black, like the floorboard brackets and all that good stuff. But stay tuned, man. We're gonna have it coming. Make sure y'all enter to win to the Silver Bullet giveaway, y'all. We out here sliding, not hiding, trying to get all them parts complete and done. So please get in to win it right now for $25 in the description below. All you gotta do is grab you a SLIDN keychain, a Built by Dre keychain, or a Sliding Not Hiding keychain. Either one of those three items is gonna be entry into the giveaway along with the red Kicks by Dre hat. But like I said, get in to win it while you can today for $25. We are almost sold out and we are on the way to greatness. We got first place with the 2019 and the 2015 Lifted Chevrolet Silverado paired together for first place. Second place, we got our 2015 Roadglide. So stay tuned, understand, we got first and second. You can win both. You never know, man. You got to get in to win it and try and support, because it just may be you next, man. But y'all see what's going on. We working. We done finally got our powder coated pieces in the powder coat shop. What up, Nate? I gotta grab one more. 4, 6, 8, 10. They got the colors in here. The yellow, the green, and they got that orange. Ooh, like my camera. There we go. Yeah, that's crazy though. They got a gang of colors. Black wet. Yeah, I can't wait to see these parts. Yes, sir, and finally got my dog. My boy got the fresh cut, huh, Ace? Yeah. Got the green mouth. But yes, sir, we done got everything done, man. We about to see what's next before we get on this highway. But y'all see what's going on, man. We getting it in, making it happen. I need this bike complete and sliding ASAP, man. That's why I'm trying to get to it and make it happen, man. So, what up, YouTube, man? We done made it back to the house, y'all. Yesterday we was in LA, got our haircut and whatnot with my boy Ace. We done made it back to the crib, man. It's cold as hell out here this morning. I got the drop warming up. I'm about to go try to run a Harbor Freight. I was thinking about getting me some more of these mats, because I've been noticing when I first got this house, I was just looking at my videos last night. When I first got the crib, the floor was not like this. It was like this, but it was like a few little spots, but it's like, it's just cracking more and more, and it's like, I'm blowing out these little dumb rocks, so I'm about to go get like 2, 3 of these and just stack them over this, so I don't gotta keep dealing with it, because I promise y'all, if it was all like this, it'll be a breeze, but those little rocks and chips create so much dust, I'll be having to blow out. That's why I want everything in here solid, so everything is good to go. But anyway, y'all see what's going on. We in the garage early Saturday morning. We got the Sacramento bike hopefully heading out here tomorrow. I'm gonna try to finish up the last of the stuff today with the brake and the clutch line. Then after that, we're gonna go on that first test ride today, man. So stay tuned for that, y'all. I can't wait to see this first test ride. Like I said, this is a built bike, built motor, and it already came like that. I never rode it. That first startup was everything I need to see to hear that motor like that. So now I just can't wait to see the results, how I think it's really gonna run in real life. But besides that, man, we about to finish breaking down this motor today too. We're gonna go ahead and get this thing cracked all the way down to the bare bottom. So stay tuned for that, man. We got the head and all this good stuff off. We're gonna run through everything, make sure everything is what it needs to be. And I appreciate y'all for the feedback on this motor, man, because I gotta clean this up. But like y'all was saying, I honestly think somebody who had this bike was dogging it, because this bike only have about 9 or 10,000 miles. This is a brand new bike still with a brand new motor. So that showed me whoever had it for sure from the jump has been in this thing doing the most. But it's all good, man. That's the whole thing about it. It's not like I'm about to literally build the motor up like it was. So that's the thing why you can never go wrong cracking these motors open, really getting to the bottom of it, because you're gonna see what's really going on with it in real life, because there's so many assumptions you can make with so many different noises and whatever, but when you're looking at it on your hand and your face, it's nothing you could question. So it's like you gotta go with what you see. But like I said, man, it's Saturday. I'm feeling good. It's sunny as hell. I hope y'all having a good morning, man, because I'm most certainly about to, man. We about to get a lot of stuff done today. We got the drop. I have to go ahead, put the stocks on that joint. We got the black rims on the Camaro. Like I was saying, I'm gonna go ahead and take them off and powder coat them down the line. Right now, I just wanted to get this thing somewhat looking better than it was. We got the head gasket we're gonna go ahead and fix real soon. But before we do that, I wanna get all these ugly little body pieces off of here so we get this thing on the way. But the reason I put the stocks on this joint is because I'm trying to get this thing to the paint, and then we gotta get the transmission fixed, the last of the gears. But man, I ain't gonna lie to you, I love this little car. It don't look like too much, but I'm telling you, you gotta stay down like y'all be staying down for these Harleys. I'm telling you. When you see this thing with the top down, blowing back wet paint, baby, boy, it's gonna be a whole nother level, man. But nah, y'all see it, man. We about to get it in. Make sure y'all enter with to the Silver Bullet, y'all. We are almost sold out, man. We are closer than close, but with the support of y'all, we getting there every day. Like I was telling you on the last video, since we added the bike, we added a few more spots. No biggie, we gonna still knock those out and still sell out and go live and find the winner. It's just that much better when you got a second place, because now we're not just waiting on one first place. We got first place with the truck and the bike. Second place, we got another bike. So get in to win it while you can right now for $25, man. It could be your time, just like my guy right here about to be sliding in sack, man. I'm telling you, it's been a long time coming. The bike was not always looking like that. When he entered and spent his $50, it most certainly was not looking like this. So winner, I appreciate you so much. I already know you appreciate me. You to text me with all the good, kindful words. I appreciate you to even see and value, because a lot of these people, I haven't dealt with it yet, but I know most amount of people is gonna win these bikes and dump it, get rid of it, which is cool. Do what you do. I ain't tripping. But like I said, man, I love somebody that can value and appreciate all the work your boy done put in and done. It's a whole different ball game. But like I said, we about to get this day on the road, man. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video so I can get this out there to y'all. But like I said, today for that second one, y'all gonna see what's going on. We about to get this work in, man.